हेलो माइक चेक ओके। जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ हॉबी तो होना पड़ेगा। कुछ तो गड़बड़ है भाई। My camera isn't working. I'm testing it, please. Okay, not bad. Hello. Why does it feel like this is loading much faster than before? What about 5060 Ti? Get 5070, dude, at least. Fine. Let's see this. Well, just a few there is a significant difference. It's almost using the max, so 86% is the max we can get. CPU is 76. Okay. Is there any multiplayer? $16 GB versus 12 GB. Yeah, I understand. Okay. I mean, if you are happy with whatever FPS you're getting, then it's fine. It's totally up to you. If you're fine with this FPS, when you can get this one for a bit of more expensive, then it's fine. If you're fine with 5060 Ti, then let's see. But I want you to get something better than this. Almost the same. Almost the same. Yeah. A little bit better this one, but almost the same. So you're basically paying for something which is no 4K just okay. Ultra wide. I want you to get something better than 3080 because 3080 is a good GPU. No doubt in all. It's just the FPS will only last like next 4 years. That's it. If you're fine with that, then 5060 should be fine for you. Hmm? This is a good price, isn't it? Huh? Oh, it's an 8 GB card. My bad. 1660 Ti, 16 gigs. So on average, this is the price. Then yeah, you can get a good PC. 4070 Ti Super. I can't even find it. So 4070 Ti is much like it's better than 3080. That's the reason people are buying it because it's a good card. If you don't have 3080 or if you don't have 4080 or sorry not 4080, if you're sitting at 910 series or 20 series, then 4070 is a good upgrade. Not much if you already have a 3080. That's the main intention. What graphic card currently do you have? Why is it loading this off this much? So almost the same. Let's see I don't care about ray tracing much. GTX 1650. Yeah, there is significant improvement. So this is a worth upgrading from 20 series to 10 series. If you already have a 3080, then this is definitely not a worthy upgrade. So what is the price of 4070 Ti? Okay. Okay. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. So no, I remember you're trying to. Hey, what a refurbished PNY is 700ish. What is this? 12 gigs. I want 16 gigs. So up to you. Can you spend more 4 more hundred? If not, then happily move to 5060 Ti. What is 47 5070 price? I think 5070 is 12 gigs. This is a fine price. What is 5070 Ti? T60 Ti versus 5070. I can get 5070 Ti for that price. That's true. That's true. So forget 4070. Either go to 5070 Ti or 50. Wait a minute. 5060 was different. 16 gigs is 530, 539. And 5070 12 gigs is 549. So basically the same price. We'll have to see 5060 Ti 16 TB, 16 GB versus 12 GB. Yeah, looks like it. Okay. Marvel Rivals, that's fine. Let's see. Almost the same. Okay, so 5060 Ti, 5070. So you can basically get this one. So 5060 Ti. Yeah, you can buy with these one also, man. It works fine. So I would happily suggest to get one of these 16 gigs. It's totally fine. So what is this one? So 5070 is not an option. Either you have to jump for 5070 Ti or 5060 Ti. What is 5070 Ti is doing? What is the price of this? A little bit expensive, but do you need those extra 10 FPS? I wouldn't say. I said just forget about it. You can just turn on the DLSS or something. It's fine. Uh, Forget 8 gigs. Why would someone buy this one if just for $100 more you can get this one? So yeah, you can happily go for these, man. 5060 Ti. You are basically getting a 3080 for what I paid previously. So what do you think? Hey, this one is even. Oh, that's 8 gigs. Forget about it. Asus stuff is also a fine card. If you want, you can get it. It's 3 fan better cooling than what we get for 2 fans. But again, honestly thinking 2 fans or 3 fans, it's almost fine because you're using a PC anyways. So you will have enough airflow. So buy a much bigger case so that it has a lot of air room. So let's say 500, like 600 is 550 for graphic card. You will have $900, much enough for almost all the setup. 350 for CPU, 150 like 500 for motherboard and CPU, 100 for RAM, and you have 300 left for power supply. 100, 150 for power supply. You can get like $30 to $40 cooling. Yeah, almost them. 5060 is the only 5060 Ti is the only one which you can get in the budget. Case closed. Have fun. Can I host it in my front end? एक नंबर तुझे कंबल साल cheeky. Okay, let's go HDP. I don't know if I'm logged in or not, but I'll ignore it anyways. I have a Golang backend. I get certain deals and I need to post them at a given time. But I need to accept the post request and perform some tasks, and then Save it until the time comes. Post it. How can I do this? Delayed jobs. What is delayed jobs? Gigabyte 5070 for 5070 Ti for 749. You are easily spending 300 more for like 10 to 15 FPS at max. It's your choice now if you want to pay for it or just drop it. Drop the idea. Up to you. Basically, there is no much difference. So 5060 Ti, basically 10-15 FPS at max. That's it. 5060 Ti versus 5070 Ti. 5070 Ti will have a lot more FPS changes for sure. But you can see almost double the price, man. Yeah, of course there will be a ton of differences between 5060 Ti and 5070 Ti. But do you have? So you're almost taking 7. What's happening? So 1500 minus if it's, let's say, 850 or 850 for taxes as well. So 600. With 650, I don't think it's possible for you to have good CPU which can pull 5070 Ti. The problem is 5070 takes around 7.4 ms to render a frame. That means your CPU needs to be much faster than that 7.4 ms. If it takes even 8 ms, you will be losing your FPS. You will be CPU bottleneck. So you need to have faster CPU than GPU so that you can utilize the GPU frames at its best. Not you're just wasting your money. Either, so that's the reason you drop some money from GPU and keep it for CPU as well. To you, it's up to you. एक नंबर जगंबर ऐसा चेगी. There is basically almost no difference, man. $50-60, I think for your budget, this should be awesome. This should be ultimately fine. It's up to you. No questions asked. Delayed job, accept the request, and then what? Will do jobs using skiplot. Run this in a separate Go routine and separates. I'm using SQLite. I do not want to complicate things, so need to be simple. Deals will be posted in the same table. I was should I maintain a boolean and scan my database and get all the deals which are yet to be posted. Ryzen 7 7700X, Gigabyte 650 Gaming X, and DDR5 6000 and 32 GB RAM for, yeah, I do know that. So you are cheaping out on CPU. 7700X. versus 7800X 3D. Just see the difference. If you still want to proceed for 7700X, up to you. Why is it taking this long to load? So 1080p, 4K, forget about 4K. I don't think we really need it. So you can see no difference in 1080p. There is difference in 1440p. There is difference in 4K. Why? Because 1080p you will be basically bottlenecked by CPU, whatever it is. So ignore it. But let's go with Rainbow Six Siege. It's a CPU a bit. It doesn't use that much CPU. Why does it have? So you can see the FPS is 600 and 650. I don't think that really matters. Does it? Apex Legends. You play this game. So we can see 300, 300. It's basically maxing out. So we don't have to worry about it much. Let's see some newer titles. But if you're happy with this performance, then it's fine. You can basically go with this. But I would say this CPU will last you much longer because of the extra cache. Coming games like, let's say, Battlefield 6 or some Call of Duty 7 or some other games, you will get a lot more advantage for your GPU because of that extra cache. But see if it's really worth it to pay that extra money. If not, you can just be happy out. 7800X. 1 second. 7700X and 5060 Ti Battlefield 6. Did no one using it or what? 7700X versus and 5060 Ti. Did they have Battlefield inside it? Let's see. Hogwarts, Indiana Jones, Marvel's Ultra. Let's see. So 77 FPS. 5070 Ti. What? There is no way you can get 5070 Ti for this budget, man. I need someone who posts milliseconds, but this dude doesn't do that, so let's ignore it. Yeah, okay, it has 5070, but let's see what happens. How can I? So we can see that the GPU usage is almost 98-97%, and the CPU usage is this one. It's sitting at 5.5. I don't know if they clock it, if they overclocked it or something. Looks like they didn't. So do you think you can get 5070 Ti and 7700X? Is that what you're expecting? Why is no one enabling it? Okay, that's fine. I don't care about it. Can you get these two combination for that price? $1,500. I need to use that schedule yet then. Okay. I can come up with my own architecture. I don't have to ask this. Okay, it's fine. So what I'm going to do is the moment I get, if it comes for MSRP, yes, I can. Yeah, if you can, if everything works according to your plan, then of course you can get a good PC. Let's see 5070 Ti. I don't dude, it's easily cost you $1,000 plus more. I don't think you can get it, but it's up to you. Either you have to wait a lot more. Let's see. Out of stock. What is this one? Why do they have a monitor stand? This Asus Prime GTX 750 16. What is this one? Probably there is a glitch, but we can forget it. So there is no Zotac is known for like almost the cheapest among all the others, and even they doesn't provide a 5070 Ti for MSRP. Just not possible because it's a good card. It is a good card. Why? Since when did Razer started providing MSI 5070? I'm not, and I'm unable to send the link in the chat. But Amazon, I found for Amazon. If you're getting it for that price, then yeah, sure. But it will take. This is the one. It's PNI. It's fine. It's not really known to be the topmost, but it's fine. Why do I need that? Okay. Oh, gigabyte. Where did you see gigabyte? I don't see anything other than this one. It's almost 1000. This is something else. You can post it in Discord if you can. Yeah, I mean, if you can find it, then sure. But you are almost taking 800 alone for this one, so it will cost you 400 more. So 1500 minus, I would say it will cost you 850 with taxes. So 850 minus 650, you would spend 400 ish. And so you still need power supply, cooler, case. You are on a tight budget, but I think you should be able to do this with that CPU you are suggesting. But let's see if it can bottleneck that. I don't know. 70 Ti. Did anyone play? It's 5070. I need 5070 Ti. Where is 5070 Ti? It's almost what? Hey, this GPU seems interesting. What is the price of 9070 XT? Where did you send your message? Okay, I got it. Looks like it's a Prime exclusive PCIe. Yeah, if you're getting it, then sure. But it's not an overclockable graphic card. How much is with OC? With OC is almost the same. Oh, it's a bit expensive. Okay. Are you sure you want to go with non-OC? I don't think you would overclock it, so it's fine. But it should be fine. I mean, even with auto overclocking, you might get some more FPS. It's up to you. But I don't think it definitely doesn't worth like $200 extra. Hey, welcome Devanshu. Welcome back. We are just looking for some graphic cards. Up to you, man. You're basically having limited options, either 7700X or with 5070 Ti MSRP. If not, go for 7800X with 5060 Ti. Both are the same. Difference between OC and non-OC. So if you get an OC card, just by names you can overclock it, Even if you don't want to overclock it, there are software which automatically overclocks few settings so that it can give you extra 5 to 10 fps. Of course, it needs a lot more cooling. Hopefully you have it. That's the only case. Normally most of the 50 series are overclocked. There are some which doesn't allow overclocking, so that they can use cheaper vrms and other hardware. When they say overclockable, that means they have a bit of higher quality hardware on the gpu, so that they expect people to overclock and still the gpu wants to be alive. But if you buy something which cannot be overclocked, that means even it's still a fine card. It's just, it works fine on the normal circumstances, and I don't think it's really that scary to buy a non overclock. It's just people generally buy OC. That's the only difference. And the non OC people would normally buy for mining because they don't want to overclock their GPUs. They just want to undervolt. There are some other customizations they would normally do. Up to you, man. To you. You can get PNY for which allows overclocking, DLSS 4.0, PCI 5, HDMI, and DP. This seems a fine card, but it would last you like 4 to 5 years easily. Think about it, my guy. Think about it. What's up, Divyanshu? You have anything to say? So what I'm about to do now is we go to API. Hey, this is not the one. Yeah, API. Post deals. Where is post deals? Make event. Mm-hmm. So we have all these, no problem. And then we have deals. Basic or post deal. So what happens here is post a telegram and then save event. Posted in telegram. And then after this one, save event. I think it should be fine for now. I don't think I need to do this. I can just continue with whatever we have. Ek number. You can cheap out you by just getting an air cooler. They are also working as expected. Don't really worry about getting an EIO. You can watch a ton of videos on YouTube. You can clearly see that air cooler are also doing good. Up to you. There you can easily save $30 to $40, which you can spend on a case. Something else, maybe cables, monitor, mouse. Up to you. Why is it connected to this one instead of this one? Okay, zone deals, yes. Map, no, files. It needs to get it from image. Hey Vamshi, how is your new PC, man? How is your new PC? Are there any issues? I mean, I'm not seeing any WhatsApp messages from you, so I'm expecting everything is fine. I need an image from somewhere. I need to post the images as well. Let's deal with this later. Hopefully that didn't save. Okay, it didn't save. Thanks. It will be directly posted. No problem. Okay, basically it's posting it right away. Send request to fetch price. This is do we need it? Fetch price. Okay, parse fetch price response and then send request to fetch deals. Yeah, let it save it, I don't care. So if I recall correctly, there needs to be a two different setup. One will have the post URL and the other one is the Python version. Do I have an environment setup for it? No idea. I think I can spin up in my Raspberry Pi. Let's see. Putty. I just wanted to see if the speak command or the GIF commands are working or not. So I would like to just post, a simple like option. That's work. That means it's working. Okay. Logging in. Where is my air so that I can deploy for? There should be deploy PS. I don't want this. It's fine. There should be air toml, yes. So go build this one instead of this one. Temple generate. I don't think I need this command for now. So let's comment it out. Oh. I was thinking, how can I generate? This is ergo configuration. I need to do almost same thing, but for Linux. Let me see 1 second, guys. It should be alerts. Yes, and then there should be readme. Build O, Amazon, Maze deals. I need to call these. I don't know if I can set it up or not, but this looks promising, but let's see. So on air.toml, you would like to have this. What is bin? Note on Linux, you use and instead of comma to stop. Oh, the thing is, I am developing on Windows. So this air will be executing on Windows, but will be outputting a binary for Linux. It's my fault. I should have explained that better. Two ways to do it. One option, build Linux binary only. Air won't run it locally. Yes. Okay, this seems promising. Let's see. So basically, after all these, I need to perform these as one. instead of these, then use this one instead of this one, this one. Okay, and then does it copy or does it not copy? So copy temp, it should be amaze deals 2. Amaze deals. Looks like it did. It looks like it did, but I'm getting an exe. Is it expected? I think it is expected. This is how I do it. Wonderful, wonderful. For every change, I would get this one. Oh, I got it. All I need to do is I do need an exe file. Are they not synchronized? Do I have anything in my git ignore? Okay, .db files are ignored. That's expected. Let's have it. Okay, and I'm thinking, what is the, why don't I see? Yeah, I do see it now. I do see it. It's just these won't be visible inside the other Git repository changes. Don't know why is that, but that's the case, I guess. I can see Amazon deals in the Go server. We don't need temporary files. I don't think those will be added. Okay, so far so good. So all I need to do now is just try to run it inside my Raspberry Pi and see how it works. So we need to change the port to something else. So the API port shouldn't be 3000. It should be something else. So 3002. Oh, I'm doing this to 324. 3234. Okay, fine. Inside Python, I need to write another port as well. Where is it? 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 Utils, app.main, and what is the port inside here? I don't know what is the port. It's 8000 or 8080. You can see it inside app.main, inside API deals, post deals. It's 5000. Where is 5000 inside here? Bitrate 5000. Yeah, run sample. This is metadata. This is not the one. This is not the one. Can I get port instead of all these? Hey, why is it expanding all the time? Okay. Okay. What am I trying to do here? Flask API change. Flask port change. Like there is no such thing as if.main, and then let's port 3245. So far so good. How can I enter it? Rev? No. V and V. I think there should be a readme, and I normally save all those inside readme. Yes. Are you using Python Django for backend? This is a microservice kind of a backend, and for something I'm using Python Flask, and for the other thing I'm using Golang, because Python has MoviePy and some other libraries which works fine in Python. I don't have to reinvent all the things back in Golang. So I'm using Python for certain tasks. I know it's not really feasible. It's not like industry standard to use it in this way. It's just two API calls. One makes a call, and the other one just responds. That's it. I think that should be Flask run, if I'm right. Flask. Unable to create a subprocess Python script the system cannot find. Probably I might have deleted it. It's fine. I'll think about it later. So there are basically no changes yet to be made in Python, so apart from this port 3245. That's the Python port, I guess. Yep. That's the Python port 2335. 3235, yes. And the Golang port should be where is the main? Yeah, main right here. It should be 3234, 3235. Yes. So let's deploy all these and see how it behaves inside our backend. Like once it's hosted, I would like to see. Yeah, let's deploy all these things. It's fine. Moving to Raspberry Pi. I know in order to generate a video, it might take a little bit more time compared to Windows 64-bit processor. It's fine. If it can do it, it's totally fine. Synchronize changes. What did I do? Did I press OK for all the time? So now let's pull this repository inside our Raspberry Pi. Okay, cd GitHub. Is it case sensitive? That looks like it. Okay. This is a big repo compared to the other repositories, so it might take some time. Hey, Harish, welcome back. I created GIF. I created the like thing, but no one really using it. What do you guys want for some entertainment in my channel? What are some commands you like to have so that you guys can have some fun? Just let me know. I feel so comfortable. I'll keep it in this way. How to trigger them? Just commands. For GIF, type exclamation GIF space anything. And for speak, obviously you know how to use speak, exclamation speak, type something in English. What are the other things? Yeah, I mean the like stuff you have to like in order to have that animation. It's still pulling my code. I expected this to be. I don't know if that works or not. Yeah, list of commands. I didn't really update it. You know what? Let's redeploy our things, even though we didn't really have much user activity anyways. Would like to see if my database is being. You see, there is a GIF. As of now, there is no music. I tried adding it, but it's not as expected. Where is the user database you edited? Yeah, it's still my database is being updated, like saved into my Google Drive almost every day. That's working fine. So GIF command cost 5 points rupees. How can you have? I'm using an API, Tenor API. So you can just type. I don't know what. I don't know how can you try to have the same GIF which you have in your mind, but it resembles what you're trying to say. Yesterday, Siddhan just typed hot girl and it kind of did. I'll just show it to you. I don't think I have 5 points. Yeah, I need 5 points. So. I'm trying to change it to show each GIF for 2 seconds at least so that you guys can actually see the GIF instead of just one time. So how about let's fix that now first. It should be super easy. So stream assistant, I see this. Oh no. Sorry. Oh, you got an ad? I set it to like as least. Let me see. Let me decrease the ad thing. Even if I set it to ultimately low, you would still get some ads. So where is it? Monetization? It is okay. I'm setting it to low. Okay, I only got one like. Okay. So what am I doing inside this is the stream assistant. Inside alerts, there should be chat GIF, and it should have the basically into 4 seconds if it's less than 2, and for duration it needs to be double of what it has. I think that's the basics of it. Yes, let's just commit this change. Oh, I need to set a message. Stupid. That should be synced, and also we can go back and see cd stream assistant ls. Do you guys can see what I'm trying to do? I don't know how can I zoom it. Appearance, colors, font. No, forget it. I went back in time to see what it generates. What do you think about Dhruv Radhe's Fiesta AI? I don't have any opinion on it. I don't. It has a niche use case. I don't really have much opinion on it. The only thing what I can say is Dhruv Radhe isn't really the one who made that. It's just there is a group of people who are trying to do it. Dhruv Radhe also pitched in. That's how most of these product owners also do it. They say that they worked a lot on it. They might have done it as well. It's just they are not really aware of what's it can do. Cloud can one shot this entire startup. That's the thing. But they have a niche use case, and that use case might fade away within just months. I don't know how they thought about that would sustain for years. I don't know. Okay. Sudo systemctl restart alerts service. System has been restarted. I might need to do a few things. Give me a 1 minute. Yeah, most of the thing is done. Why is my face not being shown? Okay, I disabled it. My bad. Now it looks fine. Even in here, I might need to restart this browser and stuff like this. So where the hell is my code? It should run it now. In browser 1, and that should be it. Okay, now from now on, each GIF needs to stay for at least 2 seconds. At least. That's what I expect. We'll have to see. Why isn't it not is it not working or what? Failed to make a request of why? It should work. I do have, yeah, streamer bot is up. Yeah, the play wait a second, please. I might have accidentally broke it. Putty, yes. Sudo system etl. What is the other one? I think I one second. PD alerts ls. Oh, my bad. Okay. Chmod plus x alerts. Now we can just happily run this command. It's working now. I just added that animation so that I can know that server is up. So I will close this and also close this one. There would be a lot of switching of browser, like, tabs. Never mind. Let's wait until this is done. And I should see my URL and chat window. In the meantime, I'll refresh my URLs. Okay, let me also do certain things. Okay, getting back to my gaming PC. All I need to do is just set it. Yep, I guess. Okay. Yep, let's see how is the GIF thing working now. I have set it to 2 seconds, basically. So that there will be enough time for you to see the chat GIF instead of just showing it like once. Yeah, I think I have all of them. Okay. Peace. Off and then turn it on again. Will it refresh? I thought it's refreshing, but maybe there is a glitch inside it. Why does it say 0? System CTL status alerts.service. It has it. I mean, I restarted my server, so obviously I wouldn't have all those information expected. Let's drop a like. Let's remove a like or drop a like. Like back. Or whatever it is. I hope I'm not doing the save thing. It's fine, I'll forget about it for now. Let's use the GIF. Let's see how it works. So we can type exclamation GIF and say hungry. Basically, it should show like twice. I don't have enough points, dude. Testing. I don't know how many points I have. How many do I have? I have like 8 points. That should be enough for me to try the GIF. Hungry. I think that's perfect. Why doesn't it go away? That's for way too long. That's way too long. But let's see. This is the chat, Jeff. What I did. So if it's less than 1, it should be of 4. If not, then parse the duration itself, but into 2. That's what I did. Maybe the GIF is too long. So it's fine. I'm going to not stop worrying about it. In the meantime, let's see what's happening inside the other service. CD, GitHub, Amazon Auto, LS. We need to have 2 servers. So let's basically see go server. LS, we need to have amazedeals.com. Yes. Gmod plus X, amaze deals. Then we should be seeing that as an executable. Amaze deals. What's the problem? Amaze deals. I did trigger it. Uname -m. Okay. Uname -m. ARM71 32-bit processor. Okay. You must have. I think I did exactly the same thing. This is exactly what I'm doing. It should be working fine. I don't know. Where is it? This one? Go server terminal. This is what I'm doing. I see the problem. On Windows CMD, were environment variables set with only live for a single command process. In your air config, you separate them with so each runs in a. Oh, okay. Use and instead. I don't know if I'm using CMD or. I don't have a clue if I'm using CMD or terminal. How can I know whether I'm using CMD or terminal? I'm running this air command in VS Code terminal. I do not know if it's PowerShell or CMD. Probably it should be PowerShell. Yeah, PowerShell. So this is how I need then. Let's see if it's generating it properly. Air. Did it do it? Looks like it did it now. Let's delete all these files and let's see if it truly did it or not. So in temp there should be 2 files now. Yes. If I run it again, it should bring 2 files outside. It definitely did this one, but where is the other one for exe? Probably I did remove it. It's fine. Okay. So let's push this code and see how it behaves. Why is it taking this long? Something happened to my chat URL. Okay, let's do this. Synchronize changes. In the meantime, I can go here. cd dot dot. Yeah, git pull. Probably it will complain about the other file. Yes. It's still pulling it. It takes time. Oh yeah. Git stash as expected, and then we need to do git pull. La, la, la. It's doing it. I might need some time, but it's eventually doing it. Fast forward. How much CPU does it take to do all these git pulls? The moment I open another terminal, it's crashing. ls and then cd go server ls, and then we need to find the yep, I have it. Plus x amaze deals. Yes, all I need to do is run this one, amaze deals. It should work fine now, like it's doing perfecto. So basically there is some CPU, but I don't know what that is. Okay, while that is still open, let's have another terminal session, and we'll see what exactly is happening when I make a request. I would need some Python stuff as well. Where is it? So we can see not major stuff. It's still sitting low. Okay, cd Python. I don't know if it has pip and other stuff installed in it. This is going to be crazy. But we'll see. I have require.txt. So pip install. Oh, I need to create an env. I think it should be easy. Yeah, this is the one. I don't know if it did it or not. I'll have this one open to the left. Oh, it's doing it. CPU is like 97%. It's doing it. It's fine. Definitely Python is not that optimized for Raspberry Pi stuff. Interesting. Okay, that is done now. But I do want to keep it open. ls, and I need to activate it. It should be cd my env ls cd bin ls, and then activate, I guess. Yeah, cd dot dot cd dot dot cd dot dot. So it should be my env, then it should be bin activate. Permission denied. Why? My env bin activate. Command not found. Activate. Should I have to give it something else? Let's ask the AI, because I didn't really try it until now. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is how I do it. Okay, now it's working. So pip install -r require.txt. I'm not sure if I did it properly or not. Okay, this will now take a bit of CPU usage. expected. It's downloading all the things which I need. Fine. I think this won't work because I made it in such a way that it will always be stored in the file. Yeah, those files will not be created. Or will it? No idea, we'll have to see. Let it download it in the meantime. I can see the CPU usage is currently spiking up. I think I don't need my headphones that often. Downloading, still downloading. Okay. I just wanted to try how long does it take for this to generate a video and then also push it, act as a server by itself. Do I have two servers, two port forwarding servers? No clue. Honestly, no clue. Why I'm not getting any viewers this time? Only have like one viewer, and that is myself. Probably due to me not doing any live streams. Okay, still downloading. As expected, this can take some time. How can I change it to something in another language instead of this one? If it had to be Windows. It's still downloading. I didn't really expect it to take this time. My CPU would have been hot. I can see like 3 terminals is open. One is the backend. In the meantime, we can connect the things to backend. So user, and this should be, where is the constants? It should be localhost instead of localhost. It should be 236. I think that's the right one. And the API port should be 3234. Yes. We can, where is my browser? I have my browser here. Okay, and then restart. Cannot define a map of null. Can you show me the error instead of, okay? What's the problem here? It says something did not run successfully. What? Sub process exited without an error, probably because of all these are only supported in Windows. This is an issue with the package mentioned before because probably it's trying to download. Yeah, this shouldn't be working. But how about this? If once I create the images, am I stuck with Windows all the time now? It's fine. Okay. Close this too. Close this as well. Close the other one. Oh, don't close that one, stupid. So let's see for a sec. remind me later. So I need to set it in such a way that is my Asus. It should be this one. Yeah. I don't really care about like battery efficiency at this point. I would just turn on all the most efficient, saving the battery, full capacity. When it doesn't have power, I want it to go to sleep. Just disable all these things. It would take even more usage. Okay, what are all these? Disable. Parsec can stay up. This can be disabled. I don't need it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So my initial plan was to have an AI for my chat stuff. Zero tire. Okay, that's totally fine. So far so good. So where is the deploy script? Do I have it or not? Documents. There should be somewhere Golang server, and it should be inside my user deploy. Hey, this could be it. Okay, looks like it's working. Oh, I didn't really have the exe file, so let's fix that. Where is the damn exe file? Middleware.go air.toml. Okay, let it run. So what was the other thing which I changed inside here? I changed the port, that's for sure. Then run this thing again. And inside Python too, I changed something. Or else I can just revert my entire commit. That would just bring back all my changes. Discard all changes and then cancel all these. Oh, I totally forgot. I need the UI change. That's the reason people use different repositories instead of one. But do I have everything inside one? My bad. Okay, then just bring it to this one, that's for sure. And then inside the other Go server that has been changed. I think these are the only minor-ish changes I had. There should be a change in Python as well. Okay. I changed the port. I added this. Basically, that's it. Revert back to Windows laptop. And while I have that, I need to run this again so that I can have the proper this one. Where is the readme? Do I have inside readme? Another readme. It is main.go, so that's fine. Okay. It has all the changes, and then I save it. I think. Let's see what I have inside this one. So it pulls all the changes. Stop all running processes for Python and main. So it basically handles the deployment for two servers. That's interesting. We go here and then try to deploy it one more time. Hey, what's happening here? Video settings, resolution, codec, yes. Band limit, let's set it to max. Fine. Can I see the stats? This seems... host video encode. I can clearly see it's struggling. It's fine. It is much faster than what I had previously. Is the server up? I have no idea. So localhost 3000. Yeah, looks like it's up now. Not really how I prefer to have the UI for, but that's okay. So I have the server ready. All I need to do is I have a Windows laptop and I want it to, it acts as a server, but the problem is I want that to go to sleep when I notice a power loss, and the moment power comes back, well, bring back the PC, bring up the PC. That should be fine, I guess. Yeah, so I need to write a script in order to do that, I guess. So make the laptop sleep when the power is lost. You can use Windows power options, and yeah, I definitely know this, how to do that. And then if you want to immediately sleep or power loss instead of, let's do this instead. I set it to charge 24/7. Wait till it drops once the power loss is noticed. Keep the data or something. Yeah, keep the laptop up for until the battery is at 50%. Then put it to sleep. After that, once it's went to sleep, we need to bring it back. When the power is up, I need to log in back automatically. Thinking longer for a better answer. Keep thinking, dude. Give me a best answer. There it is. So whoever is watching for new, you can try all my commands. You can try GIF command and stuff like those. I would like to integrate AI into this, but for that I need to run Olama in my, PC. This one. I was planning to run Olama, and it would have my stream information, and I wanted to act as a smart chatbot instead. We'll have to see how it works. I have no clue. Performance, startup, where is the damn Olama? It should be somewhere here. Where is Olama? Yep, right here. Enable. Let's enable. Cool. So the server is stable. We'll see what happens. Use Hibernate recommended at 50%. Sleep won't auto resume just because AC power is plugged back. Hibernate preserves the state and works better with power on when AC returns. BIOS settings. See what is that? If you truly want sleep instead, I show that too. Install a small PowerShell watcher. Create this one with a comment, and then what it's basically doing is add type assembly force get bat function on AC try get, I don't know what that is, action to run while the battery is less than 50%. Okay, create a scheduled task so that it runs in the background. Okay, to charge. That's already the default if you keep it plugged in. Some vendor chips a battery health cap example. Okay, if you use such tools and want full charge, okay, that's already handled. I have removed that limit. Previously I had for like 60%, but I have removed it. Now it should be 100%. Okay, after we hibernate at 50%, you want the box to come back by itself when the power is restored. Exactly. I don't think I have a BIOS setting for this. AC power recovery on AC. Yeah, if your laptop offers this machine will auto boot when AC comes back. If your BIOS doesn't have it, Windows cannot wake from the power off or hibernate just because AC is plugged in. In that case, you need an extra trigger like wake on LAN or a device that sends a magic packet when AC returns. If you choose sleep instead of hibernate, most laptops do not wake from sleep on AC restore unless the BIOS explicitly supports wake on AC, which is rare. Auto sign in when boots or wakes up, that is expected, that is there. Two things. Either first I need to see whether it's working fine or not, and then we'll have to see what happens next. Anyway, the server is up. We'll have to see how it behaves. And inside Olama, I would like to see what are the models I have installed. Olama. Olama list. I have Quen 0.5b. I have no idea what that is. Quen 0.5b. Whoever is watching, consider dropping a like. There will be an animation. I hope you guys like that animation, but just see. Olama. What is this one? It's a series of language models by Alibaba Cloud. Okay, it's a series of transformer language models by Alibaba, pre-trained on large volumes of data, including web textbooks and code. Low cost development. Okay, that's fine. I can think about it later. Okay, let's refresh. I need a new chat now. You can use open router free models to start with. Yeah, Samarpit, welcome back to the stream. I was really feeling demotivated or discouraged because I wasn't not getting any new like viewers, even old viewers. I thought something's wrong with my YouTube setup. Maybe I can understand that I was not consistent and YouTube started pushing my videos, but it's fine. It feels good to have you people back. Just so you know, the GIF command is improved. The speak command is working as expected. The likes animation stuff is also working fine. So cool. So coming back to the model is not really that important for me at this point. It's just how can I give it my data so that it can respond based on that data. That's the thing. Well, I'm just going to ask AI for this. Imagine this. I run an Olama model. Any model doesn't matter. I want to use it as a chatbot, but I do not want it to be an AI chatbot. Now I go. Thanks for the like. I do not want it to be as an AI chatbot. It should be my stream chatbot. I will be sending each message to it and it should process the data. Now comes the tricky part. How can I feed my data to the AI regarding my channel and links and commands list, so that if a conversation is about Twitter, it needs to understand that and then say, hey, this is the Twitter link, I guess. Something like that. Yes, let's see where it goes. Thinking longer for a better answer. Sure. Hey, you just came and then going back. Oh, it's fine. Fine. Put your channel data in one place. Okay. These are all the commands. You can keep this in Git or small DB, or you can just load it from the disk at startup or cache it. Make the model output a tiny JSON decision, not a free-form text. Thanks for the like, man. Feels good. Make the model output. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. Thanks. I don't know if it would work or not. I thought it would work. Oh, it doesn't have my microphone set up. Hey, why do I have this? Okay. Thanks. It works. It works. Okay. But that means it needs to stay up all the time. Okay. So rag. So I do have a web page, so I can feed my information from that web page. Make the model output a tiny JSON decision, not a free-form text. So you are a routing assistant for a live stream chat. Your job is to clarify on each message and map it to known links and command. Okay. Okay, synonyms. But where's the YAML? Few short example. What's your Twitter? Okay. Feed the model your catalog on every call or summarize it. App logic. Python plus Olama. Okay. Few shots. Okay, these are like examples, I guess. Role user content Discord. Add a lightweight fallback, Rejax or Discord. Why is it that difficult? Make it scalable with embeds. Streamer friendly responses. Here are Twitter links. Your data links. Oh, how is it even using the link, the YAML file which I just entered? Where is it being saved? The YAML. I have the YAML here. Route messages. Where is it that being read? But I can understand the rag option. Let's try asking it if it's possible or not. I have all my information in a website URL. Can I use rag or something like that, as it can study on my web page and basically get all the information? Thinking longer for a better answer. I don't know how this thing works. This is the thing, I would like to learn AI. Absolutely, you can use a small local rag set up with Olama so your bot learns from your website and answers with your actual links and comments. Think of it as crawl, extract your content, chunk and embed the text, retrieve the most relevant checks for each user message. Ask the model with only those chunks so it stays grounded. Route to the right link or command using the schema. Okay. One shot structured extractions, best for links and commands. I'm sorry. Full rag. This lets the bot cite facts directly from your pages instead of guessing. Crawl or extract. If your site is a static HTML, if it's just JSON rendered, use Playwright. Okay. Prefer. Okay. Chunk and embed. Use a local embedding model for Olama example. Okay, text and tiny vector storage. Retrieve and prompt for each user message. Fetch top K chunks. This is way too complicated than I expected. How would others would like use it? This is way too complicated. How hard it is to train an AI to just have all my information about my channel and then use it. Why is it thinking too long for these kind of questions? So it's want me to write a RAG. Totally fair. You don't need to train anything for this. The easiest path is put your channel info in the one block of text and tell the model to only answer from that block. No RAG, no databases, no crawling. Stuffed memory, zero training, one file. So knowledge.txt. Use the tiny system prompt that forces the bot to only use this text. You are a streamer bot for channel this one. Use only the facts in knowledge. If something isn't in knowledge, say you don't know. Okay, map synonyms. Okay, call Olama with that system prompt. The knowledge pasted in, but I still need to determine when to call this AI, when to not call this AI. No, it's easy. A small Python script will be enough, a function to get the text from the web, then feed it to the vector store, retrieve data when needed, and send it to the LLM. I can mix up all my data into one web page and just crawl that page every time. Instead, I can just save that web page. I'm not going to use this AI for like entire world. It's just for my information. So this is my idea. So you see this website, this is mine. And I go to YouTube, and these, let's say for initially, this is what I want. So all this information, I would like to feed it to the AI so that when someone asks, hey, what are your commands? Instead of me telling them, hey, type exclamation CMDS, it should just, okay, he's asking for commands. It would just give the link. That's my initial expectations. After that, I can just tell it to, hey, instead of sending the link, just explain the commands which I have. If I already have this, I can just give the exact markdown, which is what I wrote to create this web page. Just like what it's trying to say, like create a file instead of something like this. If I already have it, wouldn't that easy? I just so that I can implement it soon and just test it with you guys whether you are actually using it or not, so that I can work on it. If you guys are like dead people and not using it, then I would save some time for myself and move on with another other project instead. Use a tiny system prompt. Okay. No LLM router, even simpler. Alias, okay. Links, okay. Commands, okay. Definitely reply. Tin, tin, tin. You can put this directly into the system prompt, write whole text. Yes. Yes. But what about training? Fine tuning or changing the model weights, that's overall and doesn't store facts reliably. For channel info, you want easy edits. That's true. Paste everything you want it to know into knowledge.txt. Use that script system prompt, only use knowledge, otherwise say you don't know. Keep responses short and determined for links and commands. I think this is bet. This is the fine. How can I get the knowledge from a web page? Basically, I maintain a web page which has all the information about me and my channel, including all the links, etc. Can I like link that? And I know that's not possible. I just wanted to see is there any other option that AI can suggest. Yes, you can link your page and auto load it into information from it at runtime. No training needed. Two super simple ways. One file bot, fetch your page, stuff it into the prompt. Cool. Slightly structured, extract solids into a tiny KB. If your page lists Twitter, YouTube, Discord, etc., you can normalize them. So answers are 100% deterministic. I don't want to write all these if conditions. Can you give a URL? Yes. Option A. Fetch the page each time your page starts and then stuff it into a system prompt. What if my page is JavaScript? That's fine. Multiple pages. Scroll your own site or keep a small list of URLs. Concrete their text files into some knowledge block. Do I need to train? No. Well, this needs to be done properly. So I have a web page for my PC specs and for my commands list and my socials. As you can see, the data is not stagnant, it can grow and shrink. Totally fine that it changes. You don't need to train, just pull your pages on startup on a timer and then feed the fresh content to the bot. Here is the simplest robust setup for growing or shrinking data. Keep the small config with your 3 pages. Okay, fetch exact text or links from the page. Build one knowledge block for the model. Answer only from that block. Auto refresh every n seconds. Okay, that should be fine without redeploys. Minimal Python Olama example. It's basically using the links and just reading it. Knowledge sections. That's extreme. Okay. But where is the main function? Who is calling that function? Is no one calling the function? So ask, this is the function, example print, ask, okay, this is the one. Do you guys want to try it? I'm interested. Let's see. Folder. Where is the damn folder? AI chatbot. I don't need this. I don't need. Yeah, I do need frontend. I don't need this. I don't need this. Yes. Stupid. Okay, I need this, and then it would be run.py for now. Do I have the? No, I don't have the 0 VPN running. So let's turn that on. Yeah, looks like that is connected. Is it connected or is it not? It is connected. Okay, now what? I need to get it the links. So let's select all the links which are crucial for me. One is definitely this one. Oh, this is the specs. So this is the commands. The other one is socials. I don't really have much for socials. So this is the other one I need. And then am I using these commands anywhere else? No. So let's ignore it for now. And then okay. Now what happens here is this is way too big. I don't have that much. But where is the Olama link? Where is the damn Olama link? Go to Python. Oh no, not React. Set it to Python. Hey, thanks for like 3 to 4 likes. Let's make it to 5 likes so that I can have a good sleep for today. I highly request whoever is watching, if you like something, just press the like button and you will see certain animations that you might like. There are a lot of cool things you can try in my channel. Yeah, just put some messages. It will be very motivation for me. Ask quick reply. So what does this do? Fast reply pattern matching in the socials without the LLMs. Okay. I don't need a quick reply for now, but okay. System template. What is the system template? There is nothing. Oh, this is the template. Okay, but where is the URL for my format system Olama? What is this? Oh, this is an import from Olama. Chat Llama 3.8. Okay, few things. I have Olama running in another machine. I need to do some, what is it called? I need to do some API calls. And what model do you suggest? I need a lightweight. 8B models, I do not think it's needed. I know okay. Whoever is watching you might be thinking why I'm using a lot of ChatGPT. You have to use AI so that you can learn stuff. Talk to remote, okay. And not this one, stupid. Python base model. Okay, coming to the model, where is it? Recommended lightweight model 8B. You don't need a heavy model. Go with general chat. Well, this seems fine. Is a family of lightweight 3B mini on 40B minimum state of models by Microsoft. I don't think any would be working fine for me. These are 8B. There is one with 3.5B. Let's use this one. Again, this is just for me testing. I don't think I will be using it that often. So it's just for testing. If it Olama run, not this one. What is the other one which I was looking for? It's hopefully the copy paste thing works. Nope. PHI3. Oh no, wait. PHI3 3.8B. Let's see if it's accepts it or not. Yeah, it's downloading it. So while that happens, we can just see. I have the parameters. It's fine. Why is it giving me a complete different URL? Modify this to make the network based Olama call. I don't know if it's already doing it or not. Thinking longer for a better answer. Just keep thinking. Use the official Python client with a remote host. Okay. Seems promising. What else? No client. Ask it to change the base URL for Olama, which it did previously. It was using the Olama package, which doesn't really have just payload like the URL kind of request. So it wants me to use the direct Python version. I think this is much better, so that I can have one less package in my code. Getting an error for some reason. What is multiple imports on one line? Is it a problem? Okay, server IP. Let's see what is my server IP in this. It's still downloading. In the meantime, I can see IFI config. Do I have? Yes, it's running, and the 02. It's this one. Come on, please. Hello. It's a VPN IP, so I'm not worried about it. You guys accessing. So I have the Olama setup ready. So this should be PI3, P3, and it should be what is it called? 3.8B. Messages, role system. I don't know what this is. I have most of the setup is ready. So let's see what is it this is doing. It's still down. What is the speed? It's 5 of 40? Like 40 Mbps. I would like to see what is my internet. It's Airtel. Yeah, it's Airtel. Okay. They're like stagnant 5 Mbps, which is fine. It's fine. Come on. Come on, you can do it. 4 more minutes. In the meantime, do I need to test something else? Okay, forget. I think I also have Olama. I think so. I'm not sure if I have it or not. Let's see. Olama. Yeah, this one. Oh, yeah, I have Olama. Okay, I can just normally use my localhost version instead. Terminal. Olama. Yep. Olama list. What other models do I have? Oh, I have a lot more models. So let's try Gemma 31B or this one. Dude, have that. Change the URL to localhost. Dude, what are you building? Hey, welcome to the stream, man. Lockdown. Welcome to the stream. What am I building? It needs a longer story. So you see that bot Relangi Mama, which welcomed you to my channel because it knows that this is the first time you joined my channel. It is a smart bot, not an AI bot, but it's a smart bot. It knows what you're doing. It knows how many messages you have sent in my channel. It knows that you're new. It assigns you points. With that points, you can trigger some commands in my channel. I'll just show it to you. You see, this is my web page. If I go to YouTube, you will be seen here. Lackdow. Hey, who is this? That's you. It knows that you are a new user, so it kept it inside new user. Okay, and if I go inside this, you can see you have 1 point. Dude, what you're building, that's your last commit. And down somewhere here. Hey, lucky and unlucky. Welcome, bro. Welcome back. So, Lackdow. What should I call you? DAO? I'm going to call you DAO. So the more commands you use, eventually, those will be also tracked. How many commands you are using, stuff like that. So this is Relangi Mama, that the bot which I have currently. I'm trying to add AI into it because I also want to learn AI. So I have a laptop sitting somewhere in another in back in home. It's basically nothing. It's not doing anything else. I'm not in here. Welcome to the stream. I'm not in here because you haven't texted anything. The moment you the moment you send any message, you will be seen here. So it's August 19th, and you two are the only new people who joined my stream. There are a lot of things Relangi Mama can do. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. I'm not begging for likes, even though I do. There are cool things, and all these things is handled by that bot Relangi Mama. There is GIF command, there is speak command, there are other commands. I got my client for a website for like, oh, what? 5 lakhs or 50,000? What is this? 50,000? Congratulations. Respect. Have fun, man. Oh, that thing needs to be fixed. I totally forgot. The line thing needs to go away. I have no idea where I have it. I I added the lines thing, but I kind of forgot how to disable. Yeah, it's in the celeb. 1 second. So sorry, guys. I'm here. Well, let me fix that right now. It should be easy to fix. So, and I have wrote the program myself. The Relangi Mama is completely written by me. It's written in Golang with a little bit of help with Python and TypeScript. Not Python, but TypeScript. So yeah, I'm a programmer. If you want to explore my channel, just type exclamation CMDS or point or something. You will know. Action. Where is the damn respect? This is the one. And lines. It should be hidden. Yes, fixed. I have fixed it. No worries now. So you need to type X, and yes, as lucky and unlucky gamer has 30 points. He can use speak command. Basically, that's cost 1 point. He can use GIF command. That's 5 points. He can use kiss. I don't think kiss is possible because it needs 100 points. Yeah, there are cool things you can try. So let's move forward. I have localhost. This one is working. Llama 3.1b. I think that's exactly what I have. 3.1b. Yeah, let's see. The hell? Yeah, chatbot on line 70. Hey, what's happening here? What is gift? I don't have such command. You can try the speak command, man. It's really fun. I think I missed something here. What does it mean? Socials normalized or non-found, and then it needs to. Let's print this. Why am I getting this one? Cannot include a backslash. Okay, so should I do this instead? Does it fix things? No. Put a space maybe. I got a response. What am I getting? Did it? Sorry for that. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I don't see anything. And oh, connecting to logo, extra data line column, contacting Olama. Looks like this thing's failed. Oh, probably I'm not serving. Okay, one second. Olama serve. That means it's already running. How can I test whether it's running or not? If I see this, that means it's definitely running. Let's try it one more time. You can try the speak command. Unlucky and unlucky. Error contacting extra data line 13. What does it mean? Or do I need to give my IP instead? I I don't know the model. Like a Llama 3.1 8B. That's the model. Hey, I see that it's running. I guess. How are you? How smart are you? It's using my GPU is like. I guess that's running then. Let's see. I have the right URL, that's for sure. Let's see if it's mix. Oh, what are all these? Okay. Do I have like accidentally added like print statements, multiple print statements? No. Is it trying to get something from here, or is it print LLM fallback user text, something like that? Let's see. I thought this should be working as right. Come on, dude. Hey, you kidding me, bro? Python run.py. Yep. Extra line. Error contacting Olama at this one. Extra data line 2 and column 1. What does it mean? Let's wait a minute. It only has this payload. Messages. Oh, this is like basic messages, I guess. Maybe JSON parse issue. Looks like it, but it is doing it fine. But maybe I'm thinking the system can have a lot more, like, format, something, something. Let's print the payload. Do I need to JSON load first instead of that? I think. Do I need to parse or JSON load? You know what? Let's not argue with ourselves. I have this dude. I want it to be in here. Let's see what this has to offer. The error message indicates the response from the Olama API contains unexpected and malfunctioned JSON data. That means it's getting a response. It is getting a response then. Okay, let's see. So basically this needs to be changed to something like this. Why doesn't it apply that? Thank you so much. Handle unexpected data. That's fine. Let's see what it has to do now. It is giving me some data. Content I don't know what. Okay, role assistant content. Done reason stop, done true. What does it mean? I can clearly say it said I don't know. Why would it not know? Drop the X link, drop the Twitter link maybe. I do not have a Twitter link. Why is it responding it in this way? Shouldn't be responding that in that way. Hey, one more like for 5 likes, man. Whoever is watching. Is it streaming? What do you mean streaming? There is something. I don't think that's. Oh, non-streaming. What do you mean by streaming? Why would it return chunks of information instead? Option no streaming instead. Oh yeah, this thing. Okay. Yeah, streaming response. I understand. Yeah. That's the thing. I need to learn a lot of stuff with AI. That is the reason. Even though now it's giving me a reasonable, like, I don't have Twitter link. Why doesn't it have it? I just gave it my link. Right. Oh. Okay. I understand. I didn't give my social information anyways, so that's fine. Let's say this one. This should be the ultimate. Uh-huh. Okay. Fallback response. It says, hey, it's kind of working, man. What if now let's try to link this up with the LLM which is running like somewhere here. Oh, I'm happy. I am happy. So this is working. So what? Let's say buy, I guess. Olama serve. Okay, that should be working. So what was the other IP address I had? Stupid. Copy this. Why is this icon right? Okay, let's move it here. Oh, it won't let me copy. Okay, 172.23. 172. 172.23.121.170. Removing all these. And the Olama version I'm running is obviously different. What is the one which I'm running? I don't know. It is something stupid. It's Quinn. It's PSI 3.8b. Okay. 8. PSI 3.8. Is it PSI? No, PHI. Okay. See. PLS. It should take some time to respond from my LLM because connection error. I failed to establish the new connection. Max retries. Okay. Probably this has not been linked up properly. Maybe. Is my IP address wrong? 172, 23, 121, 170. That's the right one. Let's ping it. Ping 172 dot. Hey, why do I have those many? Okay. Destination hold unreachable. That's messed up. Okay. I don't need to because I'm on a I'm on a VPN network, so it should be working fine. Config. We can see. I don't think I'm connected. I am connected. I do have an IP too. Probably. Let's see if this is not working. Okay, looks like I just broke my entire setup. But the thing is, that should be working fine because you see this one, it is basically running on the same network based thing. If I can connect to my laptop, that means it should be working fine. Still, don't take. I totally messed it up. 1 second. 0 VPN. Okay, that should be up anytime. Okay, it's waiting for the service. Okay, that's fine. But if I have the IP here in this way, then I should be having the same IP on the other side as well. How can I keep it connected instead of disabling it? Metrics, impressive mode, sound. I don't think I have it. Okay. I have that here. Probably there is no peer-to-peer connection because of they are using Airtel internet. Airtel doesn't admire things. But if in case I have to port forward, I can easily do it. Yeah, I can do it. Sure. Let's try it. Let's try it. This one. 1 second, guys. I don't know if it shows any critical information. I don't want to mess with my Cloudflare. We'll be back in just a minute. Zero trust. I'm just assigning my laptop's IP so that I can basically use it. Asus laptop, it's healthy. It's up for like 9 hours now. Oh, let's see. AI. Domain for this one. HTTP. I don't know the hell URL it is. It's 131. What is the URL? What is the port of it? Save. Successfully created. So this should be the one. Okay, let's see. Where is the URL? Instead of this one, I will be using. Let it have. It's fine. I don't know if it works or not. Forbidden for your why? Client error? How would I get a client error? Hey, where can I see the logs? I just set it that way so that I can see the logs. Okay, does it have anything? It says post. It says this one. Why? I have to use HTTPS. There is no other way. Let's see. Thinking for a better answer. Let it think. I cannot run an LLM in my local setup because it's not feasible for me. Bypass. Wait a minute. Oh, this is much more complicated than I thought. This is much more complicated. All right. So headers, I need to basically provide all these. Okay, I will just set up a firewall access so that it can allow mine. But I don't know where to. Any idea where can I assign the firewalls? The problem is not that. The problem is with the reverse proxy. Basically, I'm using Cloudflare reverse proxy. If I have to use my Nginx, I do have Caddy, which is running in my Raspberry Pi. I can have easily set it up in that way. It's just I need to allow firewall policies finally. Okay, HTTP setup add HTTP policy. I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay, I'm using Cloudflare. I'm done with my water. 1 second. It's thinking. Quick diagnosis through Cloudflare. Teambot. What the hell is that? If you're fronting Olama with always means. Okay. I don't know my client secrets and stuff. But it is a lot of work, isn't it? The easiest way would be to use the VPN instead. But that thing is not working. I'm unable to access it. Is it working? It's not working. Did I stop it completely? Timed out as expected. It should be making a request now. It's still timing out, I guess. Try with Nginx or Nginx or Ringy for testing. Well, I think the IP should be working fine because I have a lot more control over IP instead of any other engine or caddy or stuff like those. I can use caddy. That's a very good reverse proxy. That's not an issue. It's just why would my VPN IP would not work? Because I am inside the same network. It should be working fine. Thanks for 5 likes, man. Finally. Finally feels good. 5 likes. Thank you, guys. Thanks. So I see the IP here, but the ping has failed. Why? Is it using some other IP? No. So this should work fine. I have no idea why wouldn't that work. So let's see if I see my PC in my remote machine. Where is it? Network. Yeah, you see this? This is my PC. This laptop is sitting in India and I'm accessing it from US. This is expected. Fine. Oh, I cannot connect to it. Why? So looks like there is something which is happening for sure. So let's see. It's almost 50% filled. It's fine. I don't care about it for much long. We can see it is there. It is definitely connected for sure. We can see these are the options. I think I need to enable these. I think I need to enable all those. Let's see if that's the case in mine. Why does it still say you stupid? It says waiting. I know that you guys won't be able to see my cursor. I'm right here. Basically, show my face. So you see my cursor, it's a bit too small, I guess. I'm trying to set up few things. I might need to restart, which I don't want to. Back to gaming. I cannot use my streaming PC because already it's streaming and also recording. It's using the most GPU it can, so I don't really want to do that. I cannot use my gaming PC because while I'm gaming and streaming, I don't want that to. Thanks for the like. 6 likes. Thank you so much. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. Just drop a comment so that I can know that it's you who liked my stream. So it is not showing me the UI stuff here. I expected that to work. Where is the when this is up? Why wouldn't that be up? Let's see if I truly have it or not. Zerotire.com. I don't want to do port forwarding. It's not possible to port forward in Airtel internet. Oh, what's the time? It's 12:30 almost. Hey, was that you? Oh, you're leaving. Bye. Nico, welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream. What am I building? You see that Railing Imama, the one which says new phase in the house. Welcome, Nico. That's my bot. It's a bit smart bot. It knows that you're new to my channel. It basically tracks all your movements in my channel. It knows how many messages you sent so far, like what are the commands you are using. This is you, Nico. Hey, you have 1 point and this is the day you joined my channel and this was your last message, basically the last time you were seen active, and this one is the first live stream you join, and may hopefully in the future if you join in my other streams you will be seen here. So yeah, this bot is a bit smart. It knows that you liked. The moment you like, it does something. It also controls my OBS or the stream layout. It has the speak command. There is a GIF command. I can have a quick example. This backstory is required to explain what I'm trying to do. So speak. Hello, Nico. How are you? I hope it works.
Shivak says, hello Nico, how are you?
That's the speak command. Even you can use it. That sounds very interesting. For sure, I'll come back because I'm starting to learn programming Python right now. I do Golang, TypeScript, and Python. This bot is completely written by me. I use Golang and TypeScript. I don't use Python for this project. The other projects, I basically use all the languages which I feel like I need to use. So what I'm currently doing now is, as you can see, this bot is smart, but it doesn't have AI inside it. So if you notice that that's the speak command. If you want to try it, it's free. You can use it. It also assigns some points for each. So you can see now you have 2 points because you sent 2 messages. In the same way, even for other users, it's going, this is me. It knows that I have triggered GIF command 17 times. I have triggered kiss command. I have triggered the speak command, stuff like this. So now I wanted to add AI. Why? I want to learn AI first thing, because I noticed in my work environment, my managers and my companies, they are looking for people, or they want us to learn AI so that we can be more productive. So we are learning integrating AI. So I want to integrate this Relangi Mama, the bot, with AI. But of course, I don't want to pay for like ChatGPT or stuff like those. So what I'm doing now is I have a laptop which basically acts as a server in a different country. So I live in this country and my laptop is in here. It is supposed to stay up 24/7. It has some servers running inside it. I would like to run Olama inside that machine, and all my messages will be fed into that. And it's someday it's going to respond with any smart responses. So let's say if you're asking about what's my CPU, instead of me telling to hey, type exclamation setup, and it will share you a link, and then you can follow the link to see what CPU I'm using. I want to integrate that with AI. So it works fine locally, but the moment I'm trying to connect it with my VPN IP, it's not connecting. It says basically I'm doubting my own VPN. It's working or not. We can see this. This is the right IP address. This is what my remote machine also shows it to me. This is my remote machine. And we can see the IP address which is being shown here. It's a bit laggy. Don't mind it. IP config. This is the exact same IP I'm using. Of course, it has a different IP here because that's a local IP. And this one is the VPN IP. I want to communicate using VPN. That's it. I also have the app in my Android. I just got an idea to see if it's truly connected or not. It says I'm connected. So let's see if it's truly connected or not. For that, I need to log into my Zero Tier. Let me log in and I'll be back. I'm just nervous if I have anything important to show. Yeah, like everything is fine. I can see my streaming. I can see my laptop. I can see India laptop as well. Hey, they both are different. Oh, I see the problem now. Yeah, 1 minute ago. So this is the physical IP. Okay, I see it. I see it. Everything's fine. I see it. There are two IPs actually, so I might need to like deauthorize it. How can I like delete that instead? Remember, I deleted. Thank you so much. So I don't know how can I show it to you because it has all the IPs. I'm not showing that screen. Sorry. It says that all my devices are connected in a network. Then why I can't use it? So this is my. I'm just copying from the portal. This is exactly what I have. Yeah, that's my IP for the other device. I'm making a network request. Even if I ping, it is not working. Ping this IP and it says pinging this one. Timed out, as expected. Let's ask AI. Let's ask AI. Alright, I have the Olama running in a remote machine, and it is using 0 VPN. Thanks for the like, man. Ooh. Thank you so much. Whoever liked my stream, just drop a message so that I can thank you by calling your name. Thank you so much. Feels good. Hey, 3 more likes for like 10 likes. Is that you, Nico? If it's you, I will go to sleep in a while, work tomorrow, and it's almost 10 p.m. Do you have some tips for me on the way to learning programming? Not for profession, but as a good skill to have. So this is how I learned programming myself. It's just I do small, I fix like small things. For that, I write some code. Do not try to build something unique like a satellite communication or stuff. Imagine you have a problem in your day-to-day life. Maybe you want to build an app. Maybe you want a website for yourself. In my case, I do a lot of it. All started from automation. So I do a certain task every day. I just automated those. Slowly, I started to learn how to code. Slowly, I started also learn. Okay, I can perform this task a little bit faster if I use another language. Hey, Stackless, welcome back. Hey, was it you who dropped that? Thank you so much. Thanks. So, Nico, just try to like fix small things which you face issues in your real life. Maybe there is something with a small code you can fix it. Just do that. That's how I would use it. But if you want to learn like in a typical student and teacher way, start with Python. That's the easiest language to learn, and then you need to learn some certain core concepts. But if you want to learn it as a good skill, you need to start typing. Do some Python stuff. That's how you will learn it. Show my face. That's basically an honest answer. I don't know if you're expecting that kind of an answer or not. You need to type code in order to learn code. Type something. Either fix your own issues or fix someone else's issues, or just copy what others are doing. Just do some typing. Back to gaming. Okay, I can see my. I get it. It always learning by doing. Yeah, exactly. I can see my IP and remote IP in 0 tier like dashboard, and also using IP config. But I cannot ping that machine. That's pure zero network issue, not Olama. You cannot ping the host IP. The overlay link isn't working yet. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I have CLI or not. The hell is that? Alright, thanks now. I'll go to bed and hope you see you. Bye bye. What is this one? I do not have. I don't even know what it's trying to say. Thinking for a better answer. 0 tier CLI. Do I need to open an admin? Hey, now it's working. Okay. Shit. Look at it trying to assign me some different. Does it say online or does it error connecting to the service? Connection failed. Yeah, this is the one. Yep, I see the issue now. So how can I start the service? How can I start the service? So version, display, home path. Join? Okay, probably join should work. Okay, I need to get the network ID. I don't know where's the network ID. Oh, I'm showing all my things. Sorry. Oh, don't do that. So this is my network ID. No, this is my network ID. Yes, join. It should work. Zero connections. Zero join. Connection failed. Why? It's frustrating. Definitely frustrating. It says connection failed. Why? It definitely says as if it's connected. Oh, it says 25 minutes ago. I am disconnected. I think it's right time to like restart now. All right, let's do a restart. In the meantime, I'll just get a pillow. It is restarting. Ah, super comfortable now. Yeah, restart anyway. Hey, the Bluetooth just died. Okay. Oh, it's doing a restart. It's restarting. It's restarting my PC. Give me 1 minute. Okay, the PC is up. Let's see now. Still waiting for it to connect to the Bluetooth. That's done. Done. Also, let's see this one. This one. Oh, I totally forgot. I might need to turn on the. Yeah, maybe I need to restart it one more time. Start up zero tire. Where is it? Hey, where is the zero tire? I don't. I don't see it. Probably I don't have it. Okay, zero tire. Close it, and in the meantime, just open the bot thing again. Stop bot. Show my face. Show my face. Back to gaming. Okay, that's kind of worked. Okay, that's fine. It says I have connected now, so let's see. Final test. This should be working fine. I'm expecting this should work fine. Coding, AI chatbot, VS Code. Did I open in VS Code? Yeah. Okay, and then we need to call what? Let's first check the ping. This is the IP. Pinging. I don't think that worked. Okay. Zero. I might need to call the admin instead. G sudo. Okay. Zero tire CLI. Oh. Okay. Zero tire CLI info. It says it's tunnel. What is join a moon? What does it mean by moon? Let's run the same commands in my laptop so that I know whether the same thing is working fine or not inside that one. So yeah, g sudo, not this one, dude. G sudo, yes. Yes, and then we need to just assign 0 tire tire.cli info. Hey, it says they both are connected. Yeah, even this says they are connected to the same. Yeah, they are connected to the same thing. Or is it that I have some different settings here? Why does it show reconnect and forget, but it won't show no networks joined? Why? Why does it say no networks joined? Okay, now it looks like it joined fine. How can I damn reconnect? Okay, like yeah. Okay, ping. Now it's working. Now it's working. Now I see the data is flowing. Now let's see. Okay, ping, not ping. Python run .py. Any luck? No connection made to the target, max exceeded. Why is that the case? Parsec, it should stay fine. Probably I stopped the server. Probably. Okay. Olama serve. That means it's already running. Oh yeah, it is still running. Okay. It is running fine until here. Then why is it not running on the other internet? Listening on. How can I make it listen to all the other serve? Not chat, dude. Chat GBT. Okay, it's loading. Okay. I need to access this server from the IP 0000. On the command Linux or Mac OS. For Windows, this is the one. Okay, I think this is the probably the last fix I need to do. Olama serve. I still see 12701. I don't know if that's the right one or not. Yeah, I'm not getting any response here. I'm not getting any response. Do I have Postman inside this? Okay, that's reasonably. But why wouldn't that work? Okay, let's try ourselves Postman. Is it a post message or is it a get message? No clue. So obviously, I think it should be a post message. Body raw JSON. It should be model. This is the one. Stream false. What is the other one? Messages. As usual, I'm not getting anything. But let us see if I get something at all inside here. Postman, Receptor, Extended Browser Worker, Browser, Postman, Online. I thought I can use Postman right from here. Okay, how long does it take for me to copy all this? Now it's loading. That's super exciting. AI chatbot, and it should run it in this PC now. Python run.py. I'm not sure if it's running in this PC or in the other one. I'm waiting. I don't think I don't think it's doing anything. Hey AB, welcome to the welcome to your message, man. I don't see your message here. Probably I might need to refresh it for some reason. Yeah, I saw it. Reached 5 stars in C programming on HackerRank today, just a few minutes ago. Congratulations. Respect. Respect. How do you feel, man? How do you feel? Python run.py. I don't know if I have Python. I should have Python. I used to code in this laptop. No module Olama. Thank you so much. Pip install Olama. I couldn't solve the last hard problem. I needed to take a help from ChatGPT, but I understood that's fine. You are upskilling yourself. That's all we want. As long as you're upskilling, that's fine. Python run.py. Even I'm using. Everyone uses AI. Everyone should use AI. And it's stuck. Okay. No targeted machine. That feels bad, even though I'm exactly using the same thing. Do I have anything missing here? No. One 123.116.121.7. That's exactly what I have. Failed to establish a new connection. No connection made because target mission actively refused it. But if I change it to, let's say, something else. If I change it, what am I doing? If I change it to, let's say, localhost, will that work? I can't really see anything. 127.0.0.1. What were you trying to solve? I just wanted to know. Hacker rank. Internal error. Let's see what that has to do. 500? What do you mean? Oh, probably my what is it? My command on C has definitely increased. Now I can comfortably pass college exam. Hey, good to have that feel. Looks like something's wrong. Olama list. I have pi 3, pi 3 3b8. That's what I have. Pi 3 3.8. That's exactly what I have. That's exactly what I have. Can I use pi 3 3.8b like this? 10 more minutes. Hopefully I fix it. Yes, you can use is reflective. Okay, it's intended for environments. What is the problem? Why does it say error console log? Stay logged out, it's fine. Oh, but the model is trying to load needs. Okay. Reduce the memory footprint. That means I need to use a smaller LLM. It's fine. Let's use something smaller. I think I have another LLM, which is this one. I will use that one. If I can get basically the same results, I'm fine. Okay, it's already running. So far, so good. It takes some time. Is it running or is it not running? I need to know, is it running or is it not running? If it take this long to process one message, then that's definitely a no-go. Oh, it's not running. So what's the problem here? So I got an error and it says nothing. There is a reason I'm not running this app. So, is it like RAM issue or something else? I'm not using any Olama. Probably the RAM issue. I'm consuming a lot of RAM. So let's, close Windows widget. What does that do? Windows widget. Is it this one? No. Taking a lot of RAM. How can I optimize my RAM usage? Of course, decreasing Firefox could be one option. But let's see. Wait a minute. This one is different. Hey, I think I got a response. Okay, as an AI, I do not have the physical CPU, or however, I can tell you about some of the custom components in the current. Didn't it get my information? This is the prompt I wanted. I need something else which is even lightweight than this. Olama. Models. Popular, no. How can I 1B? You can see like 0.1b. I don't think that's possible to have such small models. Quinn is I think this is the smallest model. And I'm using what? This is the least possible smallest model, I guess. Basically, I need to use RAM or VRAM. None of them support this, so not possible. Oh, Queen B, yeah, I'm already using the same one. Okay. Run.py, let's see the CPU usage. I can see it's using my CPU instead of my GPU. It goes to 100 and then it even should eventually drop. It dropped a lot of CPU usage. As an AI model, I do not have a physical CPU or GPU, however, I can tell you, but shouldn't it have my information running? Okay, I got to know that Quinn doesn't really work as I want it to, so we can stop it for now. I might need to think about something else. Hey, who is that person who liked my stream? Before I was about to stop my stream, you liked it. Thank you so much. Drop your name or something if you are completely new to my channel. Just drop a message so that I can have you on my record. Loki, welcome back, bro. I'm doing all good. My channel has absolutely died. Hey, thanks for the like. I 9 likes. It's fine. I was expecting like 2 or 3 because I didn't stream for a few days and YouTube just started to kill my YouTube channel. It's fine. I'm doing good, Loki. How are you? I was just trying to add some AI into my bot, but looks like the lowest model which I have, which has like 0.5b context, cannot understand my prompt. This was my prompt, but it cannot really understand it. Oh, the story some other time. Plan has changed. What else? How is your life? I am about to turn off my PC so that I can go back to sleep. Got work tomorrow. So, see you again in the next stream. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. I'm great too. Keep the good work. Keep streaming, bro. Of course, I'll try my best to stay consistent. I will try my best. Good night, Stackless. Good night. Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks. I like it. Bye bye.